What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're going to talk about this portable power pack. So you want to buy a 12 volt setup, but you're not quite ready to install one in your Ford Ranger because you're not touring yet and you're just a weekend warrior doing 2 to 3 nights camping. And you don't want to spend so much money on a 12 volt setup. I think I just found a budget solution, guys. So this setup is portable and only cost me $295 from jaycar, which includes a 40 watt solar panel, monocrystalline of course, so that it still draws power even if it's not much sunlight. So I tested it out and it can run small mini car fridges, which is good enough for 2 to 3 nights of camping. I've done my research and 12 volt setup can cost up to around $800 and up, including all the wiring, all the battery and the battery case. The battery mounting and also the lithium batteries are pretty expensive. So this one is called Powertech and it draws 42 amp hours. There are so many out there, but they are just so expensive. There is the Red Arc Block, Blue Eddy, and EcoFlow portable power packs. If you can afford them, then get them as they are great quality. But for me right now, I'm just looking for great value and affordability. So as soon as you open the box, on top is the manual and information about the battery pack. This powerful but lightweight multifunction power station is designed to power 12 volt, USB and mains powered devices and provide lighting when you are away from mains power. So as soon as you pick it up, it's just so light and so small, and it's just so very compact. So it's got the power button at the front with the name Powertech, and on the side it's got the lighting, and on the other side it's got the power plug connection, USBs and DC connections. So this power pack is perfect for camping or during a power blackout. The internal high capacity has 11.1 volt 14 amp hour Lion battery, which is equivalent to a 42,000 milliamp hour 3.7 volt battery and provides up to 155 watts of battery power. It has a built-in 100 watt to 150 watt peak modified sine wave inverter, which is enough to power small tools, shavers, laptop, power supplies. For example, 12 volt DC ports enable you to power 12 volts lights, air compressors, smartphones, tablets and other USB devices can be charged from the 2 times 2.1 amp USB ports, and also has a USB-C Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 portal, which totals to 3.5 amps max shared. Just remember, it has only 150 watt power from the power plug, so make sure that your appliances only need that much, because some appliances have more than 150 watts and it won't work. So I'm only using a mini fridge, so that works, and I'm also got a small projector which also works for this power pack. So it uses a high quality lithium ion battery, and in the box you've got the DC adapter, you've also got the solar panel charging cord, you also got the car charger and the charger for the power, and it can be charged from 8 to 9 hours fully charged. So the AC output is 240 volts and the AC power output is 100 watt to 150 watt max. It's got the LED display and the life cycle is more than 500 times, and it only weighs 1.7 kilograms. So I'm just showing you where all these cords connect. The LED light panels provide enough light for reading, and it's got the ultra bright LED torch which features a flashing mode to draw attention in an emergency. It's also got the LCD screen which indicates power level. And to charge, simply connect the 12 volt solar panel, and the built-in MPPT charger will ensure an efficient charge as well. Alternatively, use the mains adapter or in-car chargers provided. It's also got safety features, include short circuit, overload, and over temperature protection. So now we can look at the solar panel, which is also from Powertech. This was a bargain. They're normally about $80. Since it was a pack, I got a good value for it. So it's a 12 volt 40 watt monocrystalline solar panel. It's also got the MC connector. So the solar panel is very compact and it's small, so you can carry it around. You can also place it on the floor when you're camping, or you can also put it on the roof of your car. And the MC4 connector is also waterproof and very secure, just like an Anderson plug. So I simply connect it to my Powertech portable power station with the cable provided. So therefore I can run my portable fridge constantly with power using solar and my battery pack. So I tested my power station and I can charge my camera battery, which takes about 3 hours. I can charge an iPhone, which is 2 to 3 hours charging. Also an iPad, and then I'll still have 3 bars remaining on the LCD level. And then I can charge another iPhone, and then I can charge a power bank, which takes 2 hours. And then I can charge my GoPro, and then I can charge another iPhone, and I'll only have 2 bars left. I can also charge Bluetooth speakers, and I charge that 2 times. I also run a portable projector, which is about 3 hours. And then I can also run a small fridge, which is 60 watts, which took about 2.5 hours till my power pack finished. So before camping, you should charge the power station, which takes about 8 to 9 hours at home. But when you're charging it in the car, it takes a little bit more longer. So I'm just showing you how I plug my fridge onto the Powertech, and it takes a bit longer to make the fridge cooler when it's not plugged into the power. So the addition of having solar panel will give the fridge and the Powertech a constant charge. So when you do plug the Powertech onto a power source, it'll make the fridge cooler a lot faster. Comment below on what kind of 12 volt setup would you go for, or would you go for a portable setup first before going into installing a proper 12 volt setup. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.